For my language and literacy, I have chose The Very Hungry Caterpillar. This is one of my absolute favorite books to read. And I also have a floor puzzle that goes along with it. One thing I've noticed is that the puzzle doesn't match up to the story of the but there's opportunities while doing the puzzle that can be talked about, because there's the one caterpillar, and then you can talk about the different fruits and vegetables and different items that the caterpillar would eat, even though it doesn't actually link up to the book, but it does have some of the exact same food that the book has. So here's an example of the puzzle. This is the one caterpillar, and instead of pears, we have 2 pineapples. And then instead of, like I said, instead of linking up with the different fruits and vegetables, on the puzzle he eats through 4 ice cream cones and 5 pieces of cake. But even though they don't exactly match up to the story, you can create your own story within it. So you can say, on Thursday he ate through 4 ice cream cones, and on Friday he ate through 5 pieces of cake. So there are plenty of opportunities to not only read The Very Hungry Caterpillar, but you can also make your own story with the puzzle. Thank you.